This is my first pair of the 574, and I now truly understand the hype with this New Balance classic. Stick around to find out how much it costs to purchase one of these classics. As often as I've seen Stan Smiths or Air Force Ones worn on the streets, the New Balance 574 is right out there with them. This is a classic sneaker that I believe is a gateway to introducing people into the world of New Balance. The look of it is timeless and fits all ages and styles. What truly threw me off when I first tried on this sneaker is how lightweight it felt. I'd expected a tough, heavy rubber, but what I got instead was a soft, malleable, everyday sneaker. It's breathable as well, however, there are a few setbacks. When standing stationary, it doesn't feel like it has much assistance or comfort, but when you're walking, it feels like you're walking on clouds. Absolutely amazing. I think, however, the cushion won't last forever, and it will be the kind that flattens over time. But because of the price point, I think it is relatively a fair trade-off. The 574 is a cult classic that rivals the 990 series. For those who don't want to fork out that much cash for the 990 series, I gotta tell you that the 574 materials are still incredible. Nothing beats the fresh suede material smell when you pull it out of the box. One thing that bothers me about the 574 is the really thin canvas tongue. The thin canvas tongue is not as plush as the 990 series, and so if you tighten the laces, you'll feel the rope right on your forefoot. This sneaker fits true to size and has a great insole provided. The outsole grip is also fantastic and the shoe is very flexible, with the bonus part being that the ball of your feet around the forefoot area will not crease with each step you take, bending that area. These classics will cost you about $85 USD or $115 Canadian. You made it this far into my video, you must like my content, so hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and let me know in the comments below if you would buy this classic sneaker. This has been BillyVisuals, y'all just got visualized, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.